Get down.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Everblock Tech. And today we're diving into an exciting project that's making waves in the blockchain community, Coop Coin. You might have heard about it, and if not, you're in for a treat. So before we get there, let me just say that I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you to buy or sell anything. I'm just making this video for your educational and entertainment purposes. All right. Always do your own research and only invest as much as you are willing to lose. Okay. All right. So that being said, let's get into it. All right. Coop Coin. Coop Coin or Coop is all about community rewards and challenge governance. Their website, coop.hair, offers a detailed overview of their innovative approach. All right. Well, what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. Let's look at the website. All right. As you can see, coop.hair, pretty nice aesthetic here. They tell you about their holders, the centralized exchange drive, and their community rewards vault donors. Right. So let's just see how it started. So it says it was created by Cooper Daniels and fully distributed as a surprise to anyone who had opted in. And until that time, it was believed that each person would only be given a single coop. That was not announced or expected, and Cooper kept exactly 0 coop for himself. Now, they're saying it should have gone to 0 and stayed there, as there was not even a token roadmap in place, but the Algorand community, remember, it's a community token, they reacted with interest. And liquidity pools were created, some paper handed it, others gobbed it up, and Coop was the talk of the town at that time, and community members started building around it, all right? So community rewards. KoopCoin incentivizes user engagement and participation through rewards. So that's to create a vibrant, active community where members are directly involved in the project's growth and success. Now, this is a very limited story, all right? I wanted a deeper story. So let's first look at the CRV, right? Since we're already talking about it. It's a community initiative to pool and liquidity pool tokens. It's received 856 donations by 267 community members, totaling $51,202.74. All right. And this capital will be deployed towards bringing longevity and utility to Coop according to the decisions of the Coop decentralized autonomous organization. All right. So the Coop DAO is an informal structure based on the USD value of donations. Proposals and votes take place on the Discord. So if you're a donor, you need to join the Discord and get involved. So that being said, let's go over to the Discord because I found it very interesting. So I wanted more information, right? So I just really just told them I was going to make a video and look for more information. I mean, I prefer to just keep it real. Hey, everyone, I'm making a video for the coin for my YouTube channel. Is Coop considered a meme coin by the community and, you know, everything else I said, right? Anything that I can't find on the website that needs to be mentioned in the video to help like new initiatives or accomplishments, right? I'm pretty straight up. I don't like to beat around the bush. I don't like to be manipulative with my conversation. I pretty much just act direct, ask direct questions, and hopefully I can get some direct answers. And yeah, this guy Rome responded, I think Coop is more like a community coin than a meme coin, but both are fine. Okay, I already did that. All right. Coop coin is fairly distributed and decentralized. It originally intended to satirize the meme coin craze happening industry-wide at the time. And I think this token launched in January 2024. However, the entire 20,999,999 supply was released as a surprise to community members that followed along and engaged with the quote-unquote joke. But instead of being a scam like most others, and if you're in DeFi, you know that most of these other coins are definitely scams, it aimed to be transparent and selfless. No venture capitalists, no pre-sale. Creator kept 0 tokens, sold 0 tokens. And it's also referenced in the comedy show Devin, which I honestly have not seen. But according to Rome, Devin is a fictional, fully doxed Coop Coin dev, and he goes on many wild adventures. Devin's main mission is to turn Bitcoin Beach into Coop Coin Beach, but got lost in the Guatemalan forest. And he's still out there somewhere. So look at there. All right, just a little entertainment. Coop Coin has solid community and wide support on Algorand ecosystem. And I can see in this Discord here, they're pretty current and pretty engaged. This is all from today here. And I asked that question on yesterday. And, you know, they're pretty engaged. They're pretty responsive. The Coop community formed a DAO treasury, which is that vault, where voting power is based on donations. So the CRV aims to push Coop forward by deepening liquidity, getting Coop into centralized exchanges. And there's a Probit listing coming soon. and onto other chains like Avalanche to get wider reach and getting Coop's main message out. Keep building and have fun. So it looks like a dude called Cooper Daniels gave all the tokens to the people who were opted in. Then the people shared the tokens even more because the value was literally zero. So it looks like they were just trading amongst themselves. Then some added liquidity and some sold like 60,000 Coop to get $10, which right about now, 60,000 Coop would be worth about what, 6,000 is 10%, and then 25% of that is about what, 1,500. Wow, $1,500 would be 60,000 Coop right now. Because the price went up so much, then people started to think that tokenomics are great actually and started to trade even more. And then things slowly evolved and the DAO was created and things became more organized. So, as you see, this is exactly the kind of information and backstory I'm looking for. I thank them for that. I do have a new question sitting here with you, and I'll just do this live on the fly. As I mentioned that Devin show. So I'm just going to ask, and you can join their Discord, go to their website, coop.hair, and you can see the answer to this question. So I'm going to ask, where can we view Devin? Okay. So let's see what answer we get back from that. We're going to carry on with this video. You just join the Discord by coming to their website, and you'll see that you get all your socials down here. All right, Twitter, Discord, Twitter, and even email. Right. They have transparency reports here, and I'm not going to click on all of these links. As I said, this is for educational purposes and to do your own research. So you can come to coop.hair and look at it. I do like to show in these videos the number of holders. So there's a good number of holders, and I noticed earlier that this is actually less holders than they actually have, because the true blockchain explorer shows 4,678 holders here, and the website is showing a little bit less. So they have even more holders now, about 300 more holders since their 400 more holders since their last website update. Okay. And you can see CoinGecko is actually listed on, Coop Coin is actually listed on CoinGecko. All right. So you can go and view their analytics on CoinGecko if you should so choose to do so. They're traded on Tiny Man, and if you go to Vestige, which I believe I was at on this tab here. Let's see. I'll just go to it here. Vestige, Coop. Okay. And you can see some of the places where it's traded and partnerships that they have. So as you can see on Vestige, they have a total volume locked of 114,839, which is really good, a 500,000 market cap. And you can see these partnerships. Look at that, 93,000 in Coop Algo. That's pretty darn good. And you can see all of their partnerships and amount that they have here. And I think we can actually see, yeah, Cycle Coop. So let's talk about that. We're thrilled to announce that Coop Coin has partnered with Block Cycle Labs, and this collaboration will inject $2,000 into our Cycle Coop liquidity pool over the next 10 months at a rate of 100 Coop and 100 Cycle per month. So you can see we're also injecting from Cycle into their liquidity pool, okay, to add to their TVL. So these partnerships are very common in DeFi, okay? And you can take your own token and add to liquidity, or you can get some Algorand and add to the pool on Tiny Man here if you would like. So you would go to Tiny Man, which is just one. You could also trade on Vestige and swap whatever token you have, whatever asset you have, right? As Vestige takes a lot of different, Tiny Man takes a lot of different coins, and get you some Coop coin, and then come to the pool here, type in Coop. All right, you want to make sure you have the right coin. All right, you might want to even use the safest way to do that is to go by their asset ID, which they have listed here on the main page of the website. This number here is the asset ID, so you'll just copy that, go back to here, and you can actually put that number here on Tiny Man. It'll bring up the same thing just to make sure, because a lot of times when these coins are made, scammers come along and they make one with the same name just to steal liquidity and steal money from the unknowing. So make sure you do that. You can see these numbers are the same, so no scam there, no market manipulation as far as giving false data out. All All right, and you would just go through the process of creating a pool or adding to a pool. This video isn't designed to teach you that. If you want to know how to add liquidity, then join their Discord again by going on their website, coop.hair, going to the Discord here, and I'm sure someone, probably Rome, will help you with doing that. Okay. Okay, they have challenge governance, which means the community can propose and vote on challenges and initiatives, and as stated, you have to donate to the CRV, all right, in order to participate with that. So far, they have a value of 51,000. So how that works is, um, this entity, Coop NFT Collection, donated 14,000, so they have the most voting power. And whoever donated the least has the least voting power, and whoever donated nothing has zero voting power. So your voice matters over at Coop Coin, and this is the core requirement to have a percentage of voice, right? Not too different from an electoral college or something like that, except for this time you get to choose how much power you want to have as far as voting is concerned. All right, within the community. These are all community members. And you can see Walt Knows Money has voting power. If you remember from any of my videos on Block Cycle Labs, who Walt Knows Money is. If you don't, I really recommend you go and look at some of my other videos. If you don't know who Walt Knows Money is, he's pretty big in the DeFi and Algorand space. Let's see, what else did I want to show you? The segments, yes. So you have 160 segments. A lot of projects on Algorand like to use these segments. All right, so you go to app.nf.domains to buy a segment. You just type in coop.algo and you can get a segment of algo. And the way that works, you have xxil.coop.algo. Everyone is .coop.algo. And you can add your pictures. You can actually branch off a whole different Coop business with those. So for example, look at bentogrids.coop.algo, and then they could put a banner here and a description and make it where this is a branch of the business and do their own thing as a branch of coop.algo, kind of like franchising in a way. These segments are also used in some protocols, and I'm not sure if Coop is using it for this purpose, but it's also used to make you eligible for rewards and other benefits, right? So when you come here into info, you can see more information on Coop. Like, yeah, there are places where you can get it. You see the charts. You can buy it from here. Okay, you can see where you can bridge, server roles, and just everything you need to know. So yeah, Coop.coin is pretty involved. It's pretty big on Algorand. As you can see, they had over 4,600 holders of this token. So if you don't have any, this might be a good time to get it. It's down at the launch price when you go over to Vestige and look at their chart, and you can see over the last 6 months, this coin has really been taking off. So it went up to a high of about what, 6.5 cents, six cents, and then it has come down to just about the launch price. So if you bought up here, you could dollar cost average here. Like I say, I'm not here to give you financial advice. You can see this though, right? Okay, it's being actively traded all the time. All right, so if you're excited about the future of blockchain and community-driven projects like Coop.coin, Coop Coin, then make sure you like and subscribe, right? And join us in supporting Coop Coin. Let's all work together to create a brighter and decentralized future, okay? So as always, thank you so much for coming to this channel and watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one.
If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart.
I get down.